Na wewe Eunice, usitumiwe. Usitumiwe. Mimi ni yule mbegu mbaya sana. Usitumiwe. I, Eunice Mjue, rank of Chief Inspector, attached to DCI Nairobi County Headquarters, Police Station, and inquiring into an alleged offense of incitement and money laundering. Section 96 of the Penal Code, where I do believe Honorable Babu Owino, na amesahau jina doctor, address me appropriately, is involved or has information which can assist me in my investigations. Under the powers conferred to me under this section, I request you, Honorable, wacha niongeze Dr. Babu Owino, to report to me at DCI Nairobi County Headquarters, Police Station, today, on the 24th day of July, 2024, at 9 o'clock, and furnish me with full information concerning the case. Am I the one to help you investigate my case, or you should investigate the case? Huyu anakili ama anakili jamani? Ruto anakili ama ana? So it's